everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing, and I know I said I had canceled it, but I accidentally didn't realize the date to cancel for April had gone by. So I got April box, but it's okay because I love getting makeup anyways. If you guys are new to my channel, I usually do makeup and lifestyle type of videos, and I upload every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so you can always come back to my channel and check out a video then. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a like. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and follow me on social media. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I did get this in the mail just now, but I did wipe it down and I cleaned it. It's sanitized. We should be good. Alright, so what do we have here? So the first thing that we have is obviously our little bag, which I'm actually super excited about this bag this month because this is cute. Very springy. Like the color. I like the little handle. Awesome. Okay, I like that. And my camera just went dark. Are we good? Okay, I think we're good. Alright, next thing I have here is a little thing that tells me how much everything is, which I love because then I can kind of see if it's worth that money. Yeah. Alright, so the first item that we have is this Shaniba B Miami blush and highlight palette. I actually really enjoy getting blush palettes in my Ipsy bags because, or Ipsy box, because I don't tend to buy a lot of blushes, so it's always great to kind of get some once a month. Oh, I really like the colors. So this is what the colors looks like. These must be the blushes and these are the highlights. I really like that. Ooh, that's really pretty. This one you can't really see on my skin tone, but this one it's gonna be bomb, and I do like the blushes. So I like that. It's a cute little palette. Now, according to our little paper, this is worth $20. Do I believe it's worth $20? Probably not because of the brand. I know I can probably get something for like $24, $25. That's a brand that I actually know of. So I don't think it's worth the $20. 12 to 15 maybe, but I just don't think, I mean, I'm not mad that it's $20. It looks like a good palette, but because it's kind of an unknown brand to me, if you guys know what this brand is, let me know. I don't really think it's worth the $20, but it's still good, and I'm still happy that we got it in our little box. Next thing we got is this triple shot extra large mascara by Ciate. Again, another product that I really like getting mascaras in my Ipsy boxes because I tend to love every mascara I wear. I'm really good at wearing mascara, and yeah, I really like it. It's a solid item to get. Let's see what they say this is worth. And also, I tend to really like this brand for some reason. Every time I get it in my Ulta boxes, I really like it. So this is worth $22. I believe it because it is a brand that it's kind of well known. Would I pay $22 for that? Probably not, but that's what it says it's worth. So third product, we have some lotion, and this is a brand called Stella, and it's cream rose. Smells pretty good. It's an okay scent. I'm very picky when it comes to scents, so it's hard to be pleased by a scent, but this smells okay. I don't always like getting, am I too late? Let me fix this a little bit. Alright, I feel like that's better. I'm not really into getting lotions in my Ipsy boxes. I feel like it's a wasteful product, but I mean, it's still good. Let's see how much it's worth. This is worth $39. Do we believe that? I don't think it's worth $39. I wouldn't pay $39 for this. It's a good product. I'm happy we got it, but it's not worth $39. Alright, next product we have is this Tarte Double Take Eyeliner Double Effect. Again, did I say it was by Tarte? It's by Tarte. And it's just a black eyeliner. Oh, it's a liquid liner. There you go. Ooh, I really like this. There's a nice line. Very black. Very nice. It says it's double. Oh. Ooh, this is really nice. So it is a cream liner on the other end. Ooh, I really like that, you guys. That's awesome. Oh, I love that. Love getting eyeliners in my Ipsy bags. I cannot think of the last time I bought black eyeliner because I always get one in my Ipsy bags. So it's like, it's always great. So let's see how much this is worth. $24. Yeah, this is a product worth $24. Definitely, and it's by Tarte. It looks really good. I'm actually really excited to use that. I like that. Okay. All right, next product is right here, and this is a, sorry, I can't see from the lights, a Jello Gloss Bomb by Girlactic. I've heard of this brand before. Do I own anything? I think I used to own either a blush or an eyeshadow that I also got in one of my Ipsy boxes. Ooh, this is really cute. You guys, look. That is precious. I love the packaging. It's like such a pretty pink, and even the product is pink. Oh, this is really cute. I love it. I usually don't like getting balms because I have so many lip balms from Ipsy that is just ridiculous. I have like a little collection of all my lip balms because I have a ton. And I usually think like, oh, another lip balm. But this one I like. This one is so adorable. How much is it? Oh, $18. How much is my glossier lip balm that I love? I don't know, but I do think this is very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. I love this. This is gonna go in my vanity. I love that. Is it worth $18? I mean, you decide. Probably not, but probably yes, just because of the packaging. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm like everywhere because I had a lot of coffee this morning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video. This might just be a bonus video. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.